This video is an unboxing of the brand new Fitbit Blaze. It arrived today. Comes in a box like this. Have not opened it yet. Looks like it's a box that has a sliding, the bottom will slide out, so you don't need to try to rip open the top or any sides. So I'm going to take a knife. There's just a piece of tape here that goes all the way around the bottom. Since I'm not for certain that I'm going to keep this, I'm going to go ahead and be careful with it. There's a little tab here to help you remove this tape. So this is, that's handy. This is the size large. Okay, we'll set that aside. So now the bottom should just, yes, slide right off. Set that off to the side. And this little box here. Fitbit. Let's see here. Looks like it's a little, looks like a magnetic clasp to open this, so very easy to do. Go ahead and move this off here. And so we have another little tab, it looks like. Again, I'm being extra cautious here. So we have our setup. So looks like it'll open up here. So some instructions, some papers. I'll set that off to the side. Underneath that, another tab to pick up. We have another piece of tape around it. We'll look at that again in a minute. Let's go ahead and look at the device itself. Another tab, 3 tabs to help you get all this stuff out easily. Supposedly. There we go. Oh, that's in there pretty tight with this band. There you go. And here's the device. My initial thoughts. The band, this is just a standard kind of rubbery band. The band itself is light. The device itself is actually lighter than I would have, than I had imagined in my mind. Let's make sure there's nothing else underneath here real quick. I don't think so. Let's see, we'll make sure in a minute. So, without taking the plastic off, let's see how this fits on the wrist. Get the same, kind of like a similar clasp to the Charge HR. You can see the sensors on the back here. So if I was to put it on, it's a protective plastic over the screen right now, so I feel good about doing this. And we'll try it right around here. This is always a challenge. Okay. And this is what it looks like on the wrist. Got probably not quite tight enough for myself here, but it's actually lighter than I would have thought. In fact, it's actually quite light. It's not cumbersome from a weight standpoint. It's a little, you can see the height of it perhaps, how tall that might be off my wrist. But overall pretty good here. Let's see real quick what's inside these boxes. Again, if I can find out how to open it. Okay, it's just a tab tape. Oh, so here's what the base looks like, charging base. Set it off to the side. USB. I'm not exactly sure how that goes in. I have not read that yet. That'll be in the instructions, but it looks like this. So that looks well. And double check here, your setup guide, instructions, limited warranty, and that's it. This still feels oddly heavy, but yet there's nothing else in there. So I guess there's nothing else to it. So that's what the unboxing looks like. We'll see if we get this thing powered on and see how it behaves. That'll be in the next video.